How's it guys? So today we're going to be doing first aid for gunshots in 2 minutes. So you're probably watching this video because you want to learn more about how to deal with a gunshot. Very unlikely that you just saw someone shot, now you're trying to YouTube how to fix a gunshot. So we're not in any rush per se. I have had a lot of experience with dealing with people who have been shot. I'm pretty sure I've seen someone got shot. But anyway, so I've dealt with multiple gunshots in the chest, the legs, the arms, the head. It really is not generally as bad as people think it looks because unless they're using a massive caliber rifle, you only have little holes in their chest or legs or arms or heads. As a first aider, if you're dealing with someone who has been shot, I would recommend that you make sure that you are safe. If it is not safe, then you need to get it out of there. If it is safe, you need to get this person to hospital. Do not wait for anyone. Do not wait for anything. All you can do as a first aider is stop the bleeding. So you take your jersey or your whatever you have, you push direct pressure on wherever they're shot. If they are bleeding, they may or may not bleed. I've seen people get multiple gunshots to the chest and there is no bleed. It depends on what's been hit. It depends if there's been blood vessels have been hit or not, and you're going to get them to hospital straight away. If you wait for an ambulance, you could waste 10-20 minutes. The person who has been shot just needs to get to theater. There's nothing that you can do as a first aider, and as a paramedic there isn't a whole lot we can do either for gunshots because it's all internal. You can't tell what's happening internal. You don't know if their lungs been hit or their heart or major blood vessels or kidneys, or you don't know what's happening internal. It's really important to just get to hospital as quick as you can. Make sure it's safe, stop any bleeding if there is any bleeding, and go to hospital. I've seen people get multiple gunshots to the chest and they're fine, and the person rushes into hospital. We put up IV lines and we get everything ready and we wait kind of to see what's happening while we're getting scans done, because we can't fix anything we can't see and we can't fix anything if we don't know what's wrong. For a first aider, it is about hazards, about being safe. It is about stopping whatever bleeding you can, and it's about getting to hospital as quick as you can, even if that means not waiting for an ambulance. So guys, don't mess around with trauma like this specifically. Get to hospital. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope it was helpful. May not have been helpful. I don't know. Leave me a comment down below. Bye for now.